welcome back. In the previous videos we've created the custom fields, we've created the layouts, we connected those to the ACF fields, and in this video we're going to connect the ACF Flexible Content to our post layout. So I've already created a single post layout. Let's edit this one with Elementor. And here you have a little design that's already been set up, but I want my flexible content between these two dividers. So search within the widgets for ACF Flexible Content, and let's drag that one here. And here you have a couple of options. First, you have to choose the flexible content that you've created with ACF. We've only created one, so you can choose only the flexible, of course. And now we're going to add the layouts, and here we're going to connect the ACF layouts with the Elementor layouts that we created. So item, let's say layout name. These are all the ACF layouts that we've created. So content with image, and now we're going to choose the right template for this one. So will be the content with image. Add another one, YouTube. And that will be YouTube, and here we have gallery, and we're going to choose the Elementor component gallery, and that's it. That's everything you need to do here. So let's update this. Let's check the display conditions. Yeah, it's going to be shown on all the posts here. So let's go back to our dashboard. Great, and let's say this one will be my first post, and you can see we have a new meta box here, and this one you've created with ACF. It's the flexible content. You can see that we have the add new layout button. So when we click on it, you can see content with image, YouTube, and gallery, the layouts that we've created with ACF. So first click that one, connect with content with image, and let's say my first title. I'm going to choose a little bit of lorem ipsum for the content. Of course, you can use the bold, italic, whatever you want. Here I'm going to add the image. And let's add another layout. That will be the YouTube. Going to choose let's say my first video. And a URL. Add new layout and the gallery. And my first gallery, and let's add a couple of images to my gallery. That's it, and you can go as long as you want. Of course, you can add as much layout as you want, but for now that's okay. To give you an idea, let's publish this one, and let's go to my page. And here you can see we have our first title content, our video, and my first gallery. But if we want to say, well, we don't have the right order, let's say I want to start with a YouTube video, I can drag and drop it here and check my page again, and now you can see my videos is first, my title, and then my gallery. But what if I want a different layout for my content with image component? Well, just go to my component here, which I've created with Elementor. And I want to have the image above the text, so just drag it in there. I'm going to delete the margin top here, and I'm going to say 10. Delete this one, and that's pretty much it. Let's update it. Let's go back to my post, and let's preview it again. And now you can see that my first video, and here I have the content with image in a different layout. So you can see how easy it is just to create custom dynamic layouts that your customers can use to build any page or post without ever touching your design. So I hope you enjoyed these short videos on how you can use Dynoments Rexy. If you do, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. And if you have any questions or give some feedback on the plugin, please contact me or us at support@dynaments.com. Thanks again, and hope to see you soon. Bye bye.